Yo, Andy, Logan who? Who's that?
Now, hold on, wait. No, Robert.
Wait. No. All right,
wait. Okay, let's just build the arena. Okay. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
What? I can't tell if that's scissors or not.
Oh, that's paper, brother.
Dude, okay, go. 1, 2,
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, I got it. All right.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Ah! Damn it!
Mais y'a un gars gros en dessous de toi. Quoi? Il monte sur pas de grille. Allez. Ah, mais quoi? Epic Games! What is this game?
What?
Karen, it's all you right now.
How are you still alive?
Peek, you little bitch.
Oh,
Baby!
baby!
No fall damage? What the fuck?
Dude, none of those guys took fall damage. Dude,
You heard
someone
the fall
clipped that
damage,
shit.
too.
Someone clipped that shit. That was I 360'd the last guy too.
Okay? They feed you, they love you with all your heart! No!
Oh, wait. Bye-bye! Bye!
Oh, here it is.
No!
What the fuck was that?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Oh my god! Whew! He launched me and I was on top of his rocket! What the fuck was that? Chat, did you see that? He launched me with his rocket!
Wayne wants that myth virginity. Oh yeah, Smith wants you too. Yikes.
T'es fait tuer, bordel. Ah non, même pas. Ce quickscope des familles heureux! Let's go, my boy!
They can fall. Like, he's gonna try to snipe you?
What? It was. It's floating. It was what? What? Is that floating? Am I high? I hit Kevin in the process of that gunfight. I just want you to know.
You already know. You know everything.
No. Okay.
Look, and then we can, if you don't want
Right.
that one. Bro, 300 brick for a bolt. That's not bad. Yo, the one in yonder yard, they wanted 300 metal for a silent submachine gun. Like what?
So that's a steal. Like a, not a steal. Sorry, that's a highway robbery, dude.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Jetzt wird schon Raketen? Nee, warte, ich schieß dich hoch. Ja. Warte, spring einfach drauf, spring. So. Und jetzt werde ich dann gleich. Bro, was ist mit dir? What? Es hat geleckt oder so.
Tell you to do to set up, like I literally just threw this setup together in like 15 minutes, all right? Because I wanted to stream at least some stuff tonight. Oh my god! Oh my god! I still got it though. We still got it though.
Oh, it's a llama. That's what we do. We wait, and we stalk our prey. Daniel knew that if he went for the llama, he was dead meat. So he outthought the gamer that is coming on. He waits for the gamer to approach, and then sneaks up on his prey, without the gamer suspecting a thing. The gamer is now down. What Daniel does next?
Y'all pickaxe him or?
Pickaxe? Kind of BM.
Yeah,
but-
pickaxe. Let's do it.
Big.
Big
Trav?
pickaxe.
Oh my God, build it! Jump on it now! Oh, God damn.
So we're gonna pickaxe him to death?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Or we dance before we kill him.
Yeah, he's on the stairs.
Oh my God! Oh, get him! Fucking kill him! Yes!
Let's go, baby.
I will not die to the astronaut guy. Oh, he's in there. I will die to the astronaut guy. Oh, laggy! 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 Oh my gosh! That's the guy I didn't kill earlier, dude.
Uzi on the track.
Chuck it!
Oh boy. Oh.
What are your thoughts on this particular outfit that you're wearing right now? Do you feel like they added some additional shadows? Why is it this particular model, who we like to call Jessica Rabbit? What have you named her?
I like Lola Bunny.
Okay. So like, I mean, she obviously got some nice cakes, obviously.
Yeah.
Like really nice.
Oh yeah, she's.
You think it's because it's the white outfit, or do you think they added a couple extra plumps in there?
I think they added a. I think they know what people want to see. You know. Nah, I bet.
100%, man. 100%. I can stare at that all day. You know what I'm saying, man?
Dude, right now, there's a guy on the top of the house. This guy just now.
What the?
What was that?
Oh man, I'm sorry, dude. I tried my best. There were so many people on us.
That was my fault.
No, it wasn't your fault. We just ran into so many people at one time. That wasn't anybody's fault.
No, I dragged you down because you're like a pro and I'm just like this noob.
No, that wasn't it at all. We could have won that. We got really far together. That was great.
But I'm trash and we played with Ninja and stuff.
No, dude. Come on, man. It's not like that. Me and you were just having fun. We could have won that. You did a great job that entire time.
Oh.
I promise you did.
Okay. Thank you.
Build up. I'm building up.
Yeah, just build. It's too crazy.
I'm building up. I'm here.
I got an RPG. I can help. Kill this guy first.
Kill the guy first?
Yep.
Thanks for the ammo, bitch. That's a mobile player right there. Look at Look at they're trying to aim.
East, but maybe in the house, but there's no way he's in the house.
This.
Okay. I just quickscoped the shit out of him. Oh my god. Someone clip that. Oh my. He scared the living fuck out of me, Marksman.
What? He was hiding there the whole fucking time. The irony is that I'm gonna get all my health back because I drank a slurp juice right in front of him. So he actually didn't do anything.
I will make you a sunset view. I will make it so you're gonna want to. Get your hands and walk with me. I'm the number one to get one.